Traxxas E-Maxx 3906. Reverse. It's a sweetheart. Well cared for. No cracks, no breaks. Some perhaps metal tie rods. I don't know if those are just standard steel tie rods. I don't see any upgrades on this. It's pretty clean. There's not a lot of scuffs on the bottom. Just a little bit of dirt here from a run. Still got the serial number, made in Taiwan. That sticker is fully legible. Some scuffs here, a few scuffs here, but it's a sweetheart. And it comes with a couple of bodies, 4 of them, a Hummer, a couple trucks, this one. It's pretty clean. Whole extra set of, I think, new tires with the aluminum look wheels. A lot of extra tie rods. They're all plastic drive shafts, plastic universal joints, I think. So they're not designed to last, but if there's an impact on a crash, your plastic tie rods or your plastic drive shafts and axles will break, and the body and all the expensive parts will remain intact, so it's a good thing. So this would be a stock 3906 E-Maxx, available to the high bidder on eBay.